Running a travel agency solo is exciting, but exhausting. You handle bookings, calls, visas, marketing, and finances. You wear every hat. But here's the truth. If you want to grow beyond yourself, you need to scale. I'll show you exactly how to build your travel agency team. Solo, you reach a natural limit. Scaling your agency enables you to serve more clients, focus on specialized niches, and increase your earnings by dedicating your time to strategic decisions rather than administrative tasks. Step 1. Systemize before you hire. Use travel CRM software. Create standard templates. Automate confirmations. Ask yourself, could someone else understand this tomorrow? If yes, you're ready to scale. Your first hire? A virtual assistant. They handle emails, invoicing, social media. This frees you for sales and client relationships. Next, specialized agents. A honeymoon expert, corporate planner, group travel specialist. Instead of being everything to everyone, you become the agency with experts for everything. Each brings their own expertise and client base. Add marketing support, social media managers, sales reps building hotel partnerships, someone running ads. If it increases revenue, invest early. Scaling isn't just headcount, it's leadership. Set clear roles, hold weekly check-ins, celebrate wins, maintain service quality through training. Expand services, corporate packages, destination weddings, VIP concierge. This increases profit margins beyond just commissions. Avoid these mistakes. Hiring without systems, ignoring cash flow, micromanaging, and sacrificing client experience for growth. Scaling isn't about growing bigger, it's building smarter. Start with systems, add support, specialize, expand services. Transform from solo agent to CEO of a thriving agency. Like, subscribe, and comment, what's your dream, solo lifestyle or growing team?